Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. Looking at precipitation over the past 14 days, you can see that it's been pretty dry across the Great Basin. There has been a bit of precipitation across the northern part of the area, but on whole, the Great Basin is below normal as far as precipitation over the past 14 days. There has been a bit of snowfall over the past 72 hours. You can see that's mostly been concentrated on the higher elevations of Nevada and Utah. And now that we're into the middle of April, the snow depth is now mainly confined to the higher elevations. Satellite this morning shows a weather system making its way through the area, and that is bringing cool, wet, and unsettled weather to much of the Great Basin. Today, on the image on the left, you can see the low pressure system in place, and that is bringing good to excellent mixing to pretty much the entire area. If we look at that in more detail, you can see some pretty strong transport winds expected across southeastern Utah, and really good mixing heights across the majority of the area. As we move into Thursday, that low pressure system continues to make its way through the Great Basin, bringing good to excellent mixing to the area. We will see strong transport winds across much of the Great Basin with really good mixing heights. As we move into Friday, we still have some unsettled weather in place, and that will lead to another day of good to excellent mixing. With that in place, we do have stronger transport winds across the north and higher mixing heights everywhere. Through Friday, the Utah Forecast Clearing Index is generally in the good to excellent category. Over the next 3 days, the weather system that's currently in place will bring the precipitation to a large portion of the area. As we move into Saturday, the low pressure system moves to the southeastern part of the Great Basin. We will see good to excellent mixing across the majority of the area. The image on the right is a little different than what we normally have, but the zoomed out version of this image is not available after Friday. As we move into Sunday, we continue to see good to excellent mixing across the entire area with a healthy northerly flow across the Great Basin. And then as we move into Monday, that northwesterly flow will lead to continuation of that good to excellent mixing. And finally on Tuesday, things could decrease a little bit as far as the ventilation index, but still generally looking at good to excellent mixing. The 4 to 5 day period, it's looking very dry for the area. And looking further out beyond that, in the 8 to 14 day period, conditions will be drier and warmer than normal. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.